Capoeira originated in Brazil in the 16th century. The lack of written records makes its origins shrouded in mystery. It was created by slaves who were taken from Africa to Brazil by Portuguese colonists. Capoeira is a mix between martial arts and dance. It is also sometimes called a game, and it can be played. It was disguised as a dance and a game in front of slave masters, and then in secret, the fighting techniques and self-defense aspects were practiced. Musical instruments are also an integral part of Capoeira. They were used to help disguise the art form, and different rhymes were used to alert capoeiristas of danger and to avoid being caught. One of the main instruments is called berimbau. There are many benefits to taking up Capoeira, such as stress relief and confidence, balance and agility, coordination and self-expression. Capoeira is known as an art form that is a symbol of hope, strength and freedom. It is now embedded into the heart of Brazilian culture and is also a national sport. It is taught in schools, clubs, military academies and is practiced worldwide. To learn more, visit getintomartialarts.com.